What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Y'all, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your.
Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be installing mini twists using hair from Hot Braids. This is just me showing you everything that I was sent. I was sent 5 packs of their tight afro kinky bulk human hair in the color number 2, 18 inches. This is everything that came with it: a couple clips, a edge brush, and also a rat tail comb. This is the hair, and the hair was super nice, you guys. It's super soft. It really mimics natural hair. And let's go ahead and get into more of the details. Let's go. Hey you guys, so this is my hair. It is washed. I washed it a couple hours ago, and I think I'm gonna just plan on installing it as is. I was gonna blow dry it. I have the 5 bundles here. This is the 5 bundles. So the things I'm going to use are, I'm gonna use a curl defining gel. This is For You by Tia. I'm gonna use that to moisturize my hair. Shine Jam. This is my staple go-to for braiding my hair. Love it, love it, love it. You're gonna also need a rat tail comb, any kind of comb that is really good for parting of your choice, some rubber bands, and then for help with parting the back of my head, I just have this 3-way mirror. I'm gonna just use this to moisturize my hair because my hair is so dry. And then after I moisturize my hair, whenever I'm braiding my hair, I love to part my hair into 4 sections. It just, to me, makes the process go quicker. It keeps all the other hair out of the way if I'm working on one section, and the other sections can be put away. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys, I cut out a lot because I was talking way too much, but this is how I was prepping the hair. I just gently pulled it, so kind of as if to stretch it a little bit. I didn't want to manipulate the hair too much and get it tangled or just have it be messed up and end up wasting the hair. So as you see me doing this, this is how I prep the hair, and it worked really good for me. I didn't put any product on the hair. I just left it as is, and that helped me install it better. So what I do is I get my piece. These are the sizes that I was using. This size right here, and I just took a section of my hair and I started with a braid, and I want to say I braided about 4 to 5 times, and then I ended up with a twist. So I started with a braid, and then if my hair was thick enough, I took that and then I split it into 2, and then I went in with Kisses Colors and Care braiding gel, and I just put that on my hair, and I use it as I twist it down. So I just twist it down until I got to the end of the hair, and if you notice your hair pulling as you're twisting, just put that clip there and that will help with that. And you'll see me doing that here later in the video, like right now. So this is just me. Once I got a little bit more further on up in my hair, I just do the same steps again. I start off with a braid, and if you don't want to start off with a braid, you can use the rubber band method. Some people like to braid their hair first and then crochet the hair. You can do whatever works best for you. Whatever is easiest on you, that's what you want to go with. So once I finished braiding it, I added some of the Kiss gel, and then I just started twisting, and I twisted down. I twisted until I got to the end, and I didn't want these to be super duper small, so that's why mine are the size that they are. And it cut down on the time, because I didn't want them too big and I didn't want them too small. So this is why I decided on this size. And my parts are looking real crazy, but that's okay too, because nobody's going to be all up in my head. So once I finished twisting my hair, I went in and I cut out the stragglies. Like, I was gonna leave it as if, but I noticed that it started, like, it kind of looked raggedy, so I didn't want that look. So this is me just cutting those ends off. And like I said, like, you can dip those ends if you choose to. It's whatever works best for you, but for me, I wanted to clip those ends off. I feel like I should have left them though, because I feel like it made my hair a little bit shorter than I anticipated, but it's still cute, y'all. So yeah. And then once I finished this, I went in with the Kiss Colors and Care styling mousse, and it smells so good, y'all. I love this mousse. Whenever I do a braid or twist style, I like to finish it off with a type of mousse, and it just helps seal the hair, and it helps my natural hair lay down a little bit better too. Also, guys, let me know, have you tried this hair? Did you like it? What are some hairstyles you're going to be wearing for the holidays? This is going to be my Thanksgiving hairstyle, and I'm loving it. That'll be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I am all done. This took me like 2 days because I started like midday yesterday, and then I finished probably like an hour ago. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really like it. This is perfect for Thanksgiving. This is a great style to have up, so I won't have to worry about my hair while I'm doing all the cooking. So I really like it. The length is perfect. These two are super long. I don't know why those two are super long, but this is super cute. This is gonna be low maintenance. So I want to show you guys how much hair I have left. This is the hair out of the 4th bundle, and then I have a whole nother bundle left of this hair that I have not used at all. So I am going to probably use this again and probably do some larger twists and maybe make them longer. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. But this was super easy to do. If your grip game, like I've noticed like certain parts I was struggling with my grip game. If that's you, all you got to do is just go in with some rubber bands, but douse the rubber bands in some oil so they're not too harsh on your natural hair. So yeah, you guys, because some of them are not as tight as I would like them to be, and I was just struggling gripping them. So I noticed what helped me, as y'all will see, I took the hair and I twisted it first with the Shine and Jam, and then I twisted this hair and then I put it on there, and then that's why some of them are a little bit tighter, like this one here, than the other ones. But perfect hair for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, however you want to use this style, vacation. This is perfect. A huge shout out to Hot Braids for sending me this hair to come on here. Now I did not dip the ends, I just cut the ends, added the mousse, and that's all I'm gonna do. I don't plan on dipping the ends. They seem to be doing fairly good and holding up really nice. They hold up really good at the end, like they do not unravel. So you don't have to worry about that. But if you do choose to dip the hair, you more than welcome can do that. All the information will be left below in the description box, so you can go check out Hot Braids and possibly do your hair like this, girl, because yes, I like this. And I cannot wait to come out with all these cute little styles and stuff like that. I'm excited for that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the description box for more information on this hair and how you can use it. Bye guys. Peace.